Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your mic not working on Valorant. So let me just launch up my Valorant real quickly here. As you can see, this should be the landing page of Valorant. And the first thing you want to do is of course go to settings, click on audio, and go to voice chat. Okay? So as you can see, there is going to be an output and input device right here. And by default, Valorant's going to place default system device for the both of them, which is actually perfectly fine. However, if you're experiencing problem, I suggest inputting or putting the exact mic for output. I'm sure the mic for input and then your speakers for output, which is the same if you're using a headset, should be the same name. On my end, I'm using different speakers and microphone, and as you can see, it's gonna be Realtek high definition for the both of them. Okay. Now, if this is still not working for your end, make sure you go to controls right here, go to equipment and communication, make sure the party and team voice is properly set up. Not on default, you set it up properly by key, okay? Again, go back to audio for this one, and click on incoming volume or mic volume all the way up right here. That being said, if that's done, let's go back to desktop right here, and then let me just check my recording because sometimes it's not perfectly working. And from here, I want you to click on sound settings. Okay, this should be your sound settings, and go to recording right there. As you can see on my microphone, there is a green bar going up and down because it's perfectly working. However, on your end, if it's not working, make sure you right click on it and then make sure you set it as default communication device. And that being said, if that's still not working, double click on it, click on listen, click on levels, and make sure microphone level is up to 100 and giving it a little bit of boost. For my end, it's 10 decibels right here, okay? Now that being said, if it's still not working for some reason, I want you to go to privacy settings right here. Click on it, and then click on microphone on the left side. Make sure this button right here is turned on. Allow access to apps on your microphone. And also this one right here. Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. These two buttons right here, make sure they're turned on. If that's good enough, I have one more option for you if it's still not working. Go to device manager right there. Let me just expand this right here. So everything here, just look for your microphone device and click on update driver, search on multi-click driver, and that should do it. Now for some reason, let's say it's still not working, last option for you guys is going to be install the microphone hardware here, and then click on install device. And if it's uninstalled devices is already done, you just restart your computer, wherein the hardware or the software of your microphone will be automatically reinstalled. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.